The next step is to install the Kalles theme on this store. To do that, go to this online store option on the left. Kalles theme generally cost $89, but sometimes they offer the theme at discounted rates. If you use our affiliate link, which is given in the video description, you might be able to get some discounts too. And once you bought the theme, you'll get a theme zip file, which contains the Kalles theme, templates, and installation guides. You first need to extract the zip file, and once you do that, you'll be able to directly upload the theme file to your Shopify admin. Simply go to your store dashboard and then click on this Add Theme button. Upload your theme zip file here and then confirm. It will take a few seconds to upload this theme. And once the theme is uploaded, click on this Customize button. This will take you to the Shopify editor, where it will ask you to activate the theme by following these steps. To activate the theme, we need to go to the Settings option on the left and then click on Theme Activate. Here you need to enter your purchase code, also known as license code. You'll get this code along with the downloaded file and on your email as well. Once you enter your license here, the theme will be activated. And now you can easily customize each and every section of this theme. Make sure to save all the changes you've made.